Hello everyone, this is Monica from TXGA. I am here at the 2025 SPS Expo in Nuremberg, Germany. Welcome to TXGA's booth in Hall 10, stand 511. Let me show you around through some of the key products we are showcasing. Our booth is divided into 5 main sections. They are network interface connectors, circular connectors, sub connectors, string connectors, radio frequency, signal, power connectors. First, here is the network interface section. You will see two compact models next to the standard RJ45. This single pair Ethernet connector is just 20% the size of an RJ45, and this mini I/O connector is only 25% of its size. These two products not only have the advantages of miniature size, but built for high-speed data transfer. Next, here are the circular connector series, including M5, M8, M12, M16, 7/8, and push-pull types. They offer varied levels of protection and anti-interference, widely used in industrial automation and robotics. Here is the sub section. We are showcasing our micro D and nano D connectors. This panel features our latest innovation, filter sub connectors that help protect equipment from electromagnetic interference. Here is the string connector section. You will find ball-to-ball, UART card, memory module sockets, and more. These high-density connectors are ideal for computers and industrial controllers, ensuring stable and reliable connections. Visit TXGA at Hall 10, stand 511 during SPS 2025. Our engineers are here to connect and protect with you.